Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best balloon stand is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching additions to any celebration, transforming ordinary balloons into stunning centerpieces and decorative elements that elevate the ambience of parties, weddings, and events, making them truly unforgettable. Number 5. LMJIA Removable Poster Putty. Tired of damaging your walls when decorating? Our removable poster putty offers a clean solution. It adheres firmly yet removes without leaving any residue, making it perfect for any space. Planning a celebration? These adhesive dots provide instant hold for balloon garlands and party backdrops. They are a mess-free alternative to traditional tapes, ensuring your decorations stay put. Looking for a way to decorate without losing your security deposit? This sticky tack holds posters and photos securely. It peels off cleanly, leaving no holes or marks behind. Unlike other options that can stain or damage paint, our clear sticky putty dots blend seamlessly with your decor. They ensure your artwork remains the focus, not the adhesive. These double-sided sticky dots are a great replacement for traditional tacks. Use them to hang posters, mount classroom decorations, or for any hanging project. They are ideal for teachers, renters, and students alike. Simply peel and stick for instant adhesion. When you're ready to change your decor, they remove cleanly from walls, glass, and wood. You can even reposition and reuse them. What we like? This sticky tack is perfect for renters or anyone who loves to redecorate frequently. It offers a damage-free way to hang posters and decor. If you're looking for a solution that won't leave marks or damage walls, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The balloon stand is easy to assemble and holds balloons securely. It's a great centerpiece for parties and events, adding a festive touch. The stand is adjustable and can accommodate different balloon sizes. Number 4. 10 Sets Balloon Stick Stand Holder. Introducing our versatile balloon stand, perfect for adding a festive touch to any celebration. Its durable construction ensures it will be a part of many happy memories. From birthdays and weddings to baby showers and anniversaries, this stand is your go-to for stunning balloon arrangements. It's designed to impress at any event. Get your decorations ready in a flash. Assembly takes just 3 minutes, and it comes with everything you need to create a beautiful display. Keep your balloons perfectly positioned. This tabletop stand provides a stable base, ensuring your arrangements stay upright and elegant throughout your event. Save money and reduce waste. This stand is designed for multiple uses, making it a cost-effective and sustainable choice for all your future parties. Crafted from high-quality transparent plastic and acrylic, it's built to last. You can rely on it for countless celebrations to come. What we like? For those who want a charming tabletop display, this balloon stick stand is a fantastic option. It's incredibly easy to set up and provides a stable base for balloons. If you're planning a small gathering or want to add a festive touch to your desk, this is the perfect fit. What people say. The balloon stand is easy to assemble and holds balloons securely. It's a great addition to parties and events, making balloon decorations look professional. The stand is sturdy and can be used multiple times, making it a good value. Number 3. Round Backdrop Stand, 7.2-foot gold circle arch. This backdrop stand is designed for maximum stability. It comes with water sandbags and T-shaped bases, ensuring it stays put indoors or outdoors. Setting up this circle arch stand is a breeze, requiring no tools and minimal effort. You can assemble and store it quickly, saving you time. Crafted from premium, rust-resistant iron, this stand is both strong and beautiful. It can elegantly support heavy decorations in any setting. This versatile backdrop is perfect for any event, from weddings to birthday parties. It transforms any space into a photo-ready area. Its elegant gold finish adds a touch of luxury to every occasion. Make sure every photo is picture-perfect with this stunning piece. Constructed with high-quality iron, it's built to withstand the elements. You can rely on its sturdiness for any indoor or outdoor event. What we like? This large round backdrop stand is ideal for creating a grand statement at any event. Its sturdy, rust-free construction ensures it can handle both indoor and outdoor use, even in windy conditions. If you're planning a wedding, a large party, or need a dramatic photo booth backdrop, this is the one to choose. What people say. The balloon stand is easy to assemble and holds balloons securely. It's a great addition to parties and events, adding a festive touch. The stand is sturdy and can be reused for multiple occasions. Number 2. 3-pack gold metal arch backdrop stand set. This set includes 3 arch stands in varying heights, offering the perfect size for any event. These different heights allow you to create dynamic backdrops, making your event decor stand out effortlessly. Our arch stands are super easy to assemble and disassemble, saving you time and effort. With clear instructions, you can quickly set up your arches, making them ideal for any occasion. Built from high-quality materials, these arch stands are designed to be sturdy and long-lasting. They provide reliable support for your decorations, ensuring your setups remain beautiful and intact throughout your event. It comes with a specially designed carrying bag that features 3 compartments, allowing you to store each arch stand separately. This ensures easy organization and protection during transport and storage. Whether you're hosting a wedding, a birthday party, or a corporate event, these adjustable arch stands are perfect for creating stunning backdrops. Their versatility and ease of use make them an essential addition to your event decor toolkit. What we like? If you need flexibility in your event decor, this set of 3 arch stands is a game changer. You get multiple sizes to create dynamic backdrops, and they come with a convenient carrying bag. If you host various events and need adaptable decor solutions, this set offers excellent value and versatility. What people say. The balloon stand is easy to assemble and holds balloons securely. It's a great addition to parties and events, making balloon decorations look professional. The stand is sturdy and can be used multiple times, making it a good value. Number 1. Voircoloria 4 Sets Balloon Stand Kit. Introducing the Voircoloria Balloon Stand Kit, perfect for adding a festive touch to any celebration. This kit provides a stable and elegant way to display your balloons. Each package contains 4 complete balloon stand kits. Please note that balloons are sold separately. You'll receive cups, bases, joints, and poles for easy assembly. Crafted from high-quality PVC, our balloon stands are built for durability and repeated use. They offer a sturdy and stable foundation for your balloon arrangements. Setting up your decorations has never been easier. These stands assemble in just 2 minutes and can be quickly disassembled for storage and future events. From birthdays and baby showers to graduations and holiday parties, these versatile stands are ideal for a wide range of celebrations. They are designed to be a charming table centerpiece. For optimal display, we recommend using balloons no larger than 12 inches. These stands are designed for table decoration. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a fast replacement or refund. What we like? This balloon stand kit is perfect for creating multiple small balloon arrangements for table decorations. It's made from sturdy PVC and is easy to assemble, making it great for parties where you need several focal points. If you're decorating multiple tables for a birthday, baby shower, or graduation, this kit provides an efficient solution. What people say. This balloon stand is very sturdy and holds balloons securely. Easy to assemble and looks great for parties. The adjustable height feature is very convenient. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.